Jesse just pulled the coil pack out, and the air intake. He pulled the air intake out, and it was smashed. The whole air intake was smashed up into here. It broke the bottle, and it actually broke our coil pack. I don't know if you can see it, but the whole coil pack is ripped open right there. So it wasn't running very good, and we had no throttle response. I don't know if this is the problem, but we're gonna try it out in a minute. We already got the new one on, so we got a brand new one. We just put that on. We're gonna swap over the power steering pump real quick, just so that we don't have more oil leaking all over the place. I think we can do that real quick.
Sure, yeah.
Maybe. And then we're gonna take this fender off. One left. Oh, let's loosen that steel line.
It's off.
Oh, good.
Come on now.
Come on, he already got it. Sucks, it just broke the bottle. I was hoping I can find one, but everywhere I called, they're like, no, that's too new. We don't have anything that new.
Yeah, that sucks. There we go.
Okay.
AC compressor spins.
Yeah, it spins. I just can't tell. I saw one of the bolts down there are actually bent.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If you look down, it's kind of hard to see, but.
Huh. Alright.
Well, I say let's get this
Out.
pack out so we can see what we got.
So I would assume there's no Freon in it anymore. But this is the training cooler, right? Yes. Okay.
Alright, this is power steering cooler.
Yeah.
AC. But it might still be in there, actually.
I doubt it. Yeah, I really doubt it.
Should we do a recovery on it?
The condenser is
Smashed.
definitely leaks. There's no way it's still good. Or holding anything in. Here's the valve we can check.
Watch your eyes. Still in there.
Yeah.
Get everything out, then I know exactly what I need. And we can get a parts list. It stopped right here though.
Yeah.
I think we can fix it.
Yeah.
I don't think we have to pull the freaking engine.
Cross your fingers, but you're gonna have to like gut the whole front end.
That's fine.
Yeah.
But
Good lord.
would you just look at that?
Dude, that's huge.
Look at the size of this caliper. I don't know if the camera even does it justice. I mean, they're freaking massive.
She's big.
They are big, big rotors, massive calipers.
Something's got to stop this damn boat.
Yeah, so it actually snapped this off, and you can see the bolt. Well, what's left of the bolt is right there, and it went through right here, so it snapped the bolt out of there. And that's kind of what's left of it. Oh, that's bent too, isn't it?
Yeah.
So our steering arm is bent, and then this
Yeah, that's
lower
definitely
control
bent.
arm is
Holy crap.
That's 100% bent right
That's
there.
custom.
Yeah, so we've already got the new lower control arm, and we've got this tensioner arm. We're just gonna reconnect this tensioner arm
Just to get it mobile.
just so that we can get this thing rolling and maybe do a burnout. That's all I want to do. I just want to do burnouts.
Here, Bob.
Oh, sweet. How far back did that go?
That just goes right here.
More water, wind.
Yeah.
More dampening.
Yeah.
All right, let's take that last bolt off and get this fender off.
Yeah.
The last one didn't.
Yeah, this one's got a slit in it, see?
Yeah. There's one up top too.
Is there?
Yep, right here. You gotta open the door.
Oh, there it is, yeah.
Get it. Yep, brake lights are on. Brake lights are on.
That's probably what killed the battery in the first place. That's probably where your draw's coming from.
Mm-hmm. So I've got that switch. Just slide out.
Yeah,
So we couldn't save it when he was.
yeah.
Got me. So, okay. I feel like we need to just take this badge off and put it on the body right there. What do you guys think? Take. Oh, it's coming off. Just so this car doesn't lose its identity.
Hear me.
Clean that off.
There you go.
Oh yeah, still Hellcat. There's no denying it.
You should be able to just buy a tie rod and inner tie rod. An inner and outer and replace them. You don't have to replace the whole rack and pinion.
Right, yeah, it actually, you can buy just pieces.
Yeah.
We gotta make sure it fits good because he's coming to weld it this Friday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna have to take this and beat the crap out of this right here.
All right, we're back. My battery actually died, but we just fixed the brake pedal in the car. Whenever it had power, the brake lights would be on. I couldn't figure it out. I thought it was a switch, but then me and Jesse looked at it and he found out that the brake pedal was bent in towards the floorboard. So obviously when he got in a wreck, you're full bore down on the brake pedal and it bent it down. So we actually just bent it back and now the brake lights work just fine. So sorry I didn't film that, but the battery died, plus there was no room in there to film that. So that's good to go. Now we're gonna take off the cooler pack assembly up here, the reinforcement bar, and just try to get all this cleaned up some, see if there's anything else broken, and then hopefully get this thing started. That one, you use a screwdriver if you don't care. You use this one if you do care. There we go. I guess, I wonder if we can see if it is cracked all the way inside or not.
No, it's...
You see it?
Is it a crack or is it a freaking molding?
It looked cracked.
Yeah, for sure.
I got a new one on the way, but it's 8 days out. I couldn't really tell.
Yeah, I don't know, Bob. It almost looks like it's from the freaking casting or something.
Yeah, it might be. There we go. Custom fabrication.
High quality metal there.
Yeah. Perfect.
He used to do this all day long. It is okay.
The white car stressed me out. This one.
The white car's done a burnout. This one hasn't.
It's true. The white car has actually performed.
Hell yeah. See, the cooler's hanging though.
Yeah, but this is bolted to the frame.
Okay. Oh yeah, okay.
We just got these two. I had to take that off yesterday on the white one. I think I can save that pump. That, you know how much that pump is?
Yeah, $1,500 or something.
$1,500. It's insane.
The only thing with this cheap shit is it's just super porous, so it's kind of hard, but...
I don't know if we can weld it or not.
Three buddies now.
He's damn good. If anybody can weld it, he probably could.
It's the first I've seen it tacked. There she is, ladies.
That's it. Yeah, I want to get that away from the motor.
Oh, it's pointing now.
Crap. Oh no, is this line big?
Yep, that's where the fan went in and broke the freaking. Right down here is where it broke the belt.
Oh yeah. Okay, well we didn't film it, but so the gray Hellcat would start but ran like crap. We found that one of the coil packs was broken, so we replaced that today. Then you start it and there was no throttle response at all, so we actually swapped throttle pedals thinking it might be the throttle sensor. It's not, it's actually the throttle body. So we took the throttle body off the white car and put it on that car and it starts. But now we need to do a cold startup, right? It's not super cold, but it's still not to temperature and it's only been started once, so. But this one, if you listen to it, I can't do it. So it's time for a new one of these. New used one, most likely. Okay, let's do a cold startup on this, and then I'll get it out, get all the stickers off, and get it washed up. So, ready for a cold startup? I could listen to that all day long. That sounds so good. It just said battery saver on. Some systems.
Probably because the alternator's not on, not connected. So
it says battery saver on. Let's get all these windows rolled up. What do you think? This turned out way better than I thought. Oh. Now that this is working, I mean, look how pretty this is now. Mm-hmm. It looks so much better.
All nice and dry.
Nice and dry. Cool. Well, that's it, guys. I think I'm gonna leave it at that for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think. This one I'm way more excited about keeping than the other one. We're gonna either send that one back to auction or we're gonna do a giveaway. Let me know on the giveaway if you guys have any ideas, because I haven't done one before. But for now, we'll see you guys next time. Okay, well, we didn't film it, but this car, ooh, why is it smoking?
Where?
Oh, that was you, your binky. It just blew binky. I look back and I see smoke. I'm like, oh